Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations.
Today, we've got an exciting piece of technology to dive into. The MOQCQGR 7 inches underwater fishing camera with DVR. If you're an ice fishing enthusiast or just love exploring the mysteries of underwater life, this could be your new best friend.
Let's get started.
The MOQCQGR underwater fishing camera is designed to enhance your fishing experience with its advanced features. It boasts an impressive 1080p camera that offers a crystal-clear view of the underwater world. The 7 inches IPS monitor provides a full viewing angle, ensuring you never miss a moment beneath the surface. Equipped with a massive 10,000 mAh Li battery, this camera can keep you fishing for up to 20 hours. The USB-C charging port allows you to charge it with a power bank while using it. No need to worry about running out of juice. It features 3 lighting modes, including IR and white LED lights, making it perfect for all kinds of water conditions.
While the camera records in 1080p, it's important to note that the output of recorded video is 720p. Still, it provides excellent clarity for your underwater adventures.
The package includes a 32GB memory card, ensuring you have plenty of storage for your recordings.
You can easily transfer your footage to a computer for later enjoyment.
The MOQCQGR fishing camera comes in a portable box, making it easy to take with you wherever you go.
There's also a sun visor included, ensuring you can see the video clearly even in direct sunlight or snowy conditions.
With a 25 meters, 82 feet cable that can handle up to 40 kilograms, 88 pounds, you can explore deeper waters without worries. The camera also features a 1/4 inches screw hole for mounting on a tripod, adding to its versatility. The MOQCQGR team values its customers and offers a 12-month warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase.
Customers have praised the clear image quality, durability, and battery life of this underwater fishing camera.
In summary, the MOQCQGR 7 inches underwater fishing camera with DVR is a fantastic companion for ice fishing and underwater exploration. With its impressive features and affordability, it's hard to find a reason not to add it to your fishing gear.
Thanks for joining us on this review of the MOQCQGR fishing camera.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this camera, please leave a comment below.
Until next time, happy fishing!